lamb lovers, rejoice. Today I have a beautiful Mediterranean style leg of lamb recipe for you. Super delicious, very easy, and you're going to be done in probably a couple of hours, give or take, and you will have a meal fit for a king. So the star of our show today is a gorgeous, probably closer to 6 pound, 5 to 6 pound leg of lamb bone in. Just one of my favorite things to cook. You're gonna preheat your oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius, so that way that's off and going. There is nothing to this except for a delicious rub that I'm gonna show you how to make right now. It is super easy, and it's just, I can't tell you enough about this. It excites me. So first things first, let me take this off here. I'm gonna do about 1/3 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil is gonna go in there. I'm going to do a couple of tablespoons of sun-dried tomatoes. Add a nice little kicker, a nice little pizzazz to this. I love sun-dried tomatoes in just about anything. I'm gonna take a heaping tablespoon of tomato paste is gonna go in this, just like that, nothing complicated. I'm gonna do a little bit of salt, actually a fair bit of salt because the lamb can handle it. I'm going to do about a tablespoon or a heaping tablespoon of dried rosemary is gonna go in this. Lamb and rosemary work so well together. Gonna do a little bit of pepper, but here's the thing. I'm gonna do the pepper as well when everything is ready to go and just before our lamb goes in the oven. I'm gonna take 6 cloves of garlic. They're gonna go in there. You can't have lamb without garlic. And I'm just gonna peel off the zest of 1 lemon. Actually, depending on how you like it, you can do like half a lemon is fine as well. You just want the top part of this. You don't want the white fleshy part because that's not good. It becomes bitter. So I'm just gonna get a couple more slices of that here, just like that. Perfect. There. Boom. Half a lemon or the zest of half a lemon. So all I'm gonna do now is just whiz this up. Nothing to this. Perfect. That's all you need. And we have like this, oh my gosh. You have this gorgeous, just this paste, this just lovely deliciousness. And what I'm gonna do is I'm literally gonna pour this all over my lamb, just like that. Make sure you get it everywhere. And this is our flavor profile for our roasted lamb, leg of lamb. I'm just gonna get this everywhere. And don't be afraid to get it on your hands and on your fingers and everywhere else. And that's perfect, just like that. This is gonna marinade as it cooks. Oh, the smells in here are just fantastic. This is like major deliciousness happening right here. All right, so that's it there. I'm gonna pop this into my 400 degree oven for about 1.5 to an hour and 45 minutes, depending on how you like your doneness. If you like it Greek style, you're looking at least a couple of hours and then some. Uncovered, and just let the oven do all the work. Alrighty then, it's been about 90 minutes. My leg of lamb is done perfectly. There are some parts that look darker than others. Don't worry, that's not burning. It's the caramelization or the sugars of the tomato paste that actually have caught. Nothing else. The lamb itself is actually done to perfection. And I'll actually show you exactly what I'm talking about here. So it is magnificent. I can't tell you. Like, watch this. Take a little piece off. Oh, look at this. It is done to absolute perfection. Juicy, moist. They should bottle the smell. So it took 90 minutes and the juices are resting. It's absolutely fantastic. This is hot as sin, by the way. I don't know where to go. That is so good. It is perfect. There is not one flavor on there that is overpowering. Everything works perfectly. The tomato paste, the olive oil, the garlic, the rosemary. It is just such a beautiful symphony of flavor. I don't know what else to tell you other than really please try this. Even if you don't like lamb, it doesn't matter. You're gonna like it after this. Serve this with, potatoes, veggies, salad, bread. Grab it on the go and just eat it like this. It doesn't matter. So that's it for this episode on my Mediterranean roast leg of lamb. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. This recipe will also be on kensgreektable.com, so you can check it out there along with so many others. And until next time, stay safe, be careful, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.